The issue of a staff obligation. Now, perhaps this is where we should draw the line. You see, Professor Governor, when I look at the cumulative monies owed to employees from Love Fund and Love Trust, it's almost 500 million Kenya shillings. And there's no explanation for it. It's just a figure that comes to us. There's no explanation to what's happening and why it is happening. Whatever it is that we do, Governor, and I am praying God that a few months from today, I may be seated where you are seated from Kitui. Whatever it is that we do, let's just be humane. Let's just do. I never understand why any entity, whether county or national, would deduct money from people, and that money at retirement does not help those people. It's actually robbery for those people. That's what it is, and it's not right.